And then we have max. So we could do select max. CID is highest CID from customers. So what is the max customer ID? 6, because if we do select star from customers, we have the highest CID is 6. I wonder if there's a min. One. I wonder if there's an average. That's cool. So max, min, average. Is the average of 11, 15, 18, 20, 21 divided by 6? 21 divided by 6 is about 3.5. Max order date as max day. That was just kind of interesting to run. And then we selected C first name and max order ID. So I'm not sure what this is going to show us. Let's just look at it. Max order ID. So it just shows us the order ID, the max order ID with each of those people. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We don't have 2, and the reason we don't have 2 is select. I don't want to type it all. Well, I'm going to go for it. Select, and we have C.C first and O.OID from customers as C, join orders on as O on C dot CID, customer ID, is equal to order dot CID. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So who had one, and let's order by C first. So Coffer had 2 and 6. So we're only seeing Coffer's 6 order. We don't see Coffer's 2 because up here we said max. So that's using max. I'll stop that there.